When I arrived Obon Ratchathani in December 2012, I know no one. I only know Ate Grace, she is from another province in Mugnahan, and I know also my aunt nga naa siya sa south part of Thailand. But sa Ubon, wala ko'y kaila. And I would like to say thank you to all of you sa pag-count on me as your friend. You made my stay in Thailand memorable. And some of my friends, namalhin po sila sa US and other countries. Thank you is not enough to express my gratitude to each one of you. Naadjud mo permi sa kalisod o kalipay sa akong life or sa amo ang life. I can't name each one of you. And even if you are not in the video right now, please know that you are always in our hearts. Si Adam always mentioned your names before he sleeps at night. Iyajud na siyang individually gina-mention inyong mga names. And always siya nagaingon nga go home na. We are always praying for you. May the good Lord grant your heart's desire. I am a firm believer na kung wala kay nagrabyado na tao, God will surely bless you. Hope to see all of you again. God bless you and hugs to everyone. See you again soon. I love you all.